Hey, how are you today? My name is Michael. I'm from Netter Gold, and I want to say thank you first and foremost for purchasing from us. Thank you so much. We're a small family-run business, and we truly appreciate it. One thing I want to make sure you understand is how to utilize your products properly, from the oils to the butters to the combs to the soaps, how to just use everything. So in the comments below, please, if you have any questions, leave that. But in the description as well, I'm going to make sure I have links to a bunch of playlists and videos. That way you can learn the proper way, or at least the way I like to use the products, because you can actually use products any way you want, really. It's up to you. It's your world. I'm just here to help facilitate the greatness within it. So these links help you out, learn some stuff, figure out how to do things, how to take care of things, and then you can just free ball it, freestyle it, whatever way you like to. So if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, again, you can leave in the comments below, or you can send an email over to Monique. Her email will be in the description as well, and she'll take care of you. Thank you so much. Truly appreciate you. Really don't know how to say thank you anymore than thank you, 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 thank you. So let's get to it. Let's get to the next video, and let's just learn together. Hopefully you find some benefit in this. Again, thank you.